Okay, so let's look at how multiple waypoints can be the same, but be used in different positions within the program. Okay, so let's go on robot teaching first. We put in the simulator so I can actually show what the robot is going to do. And let's go into program. We do a new one, and we will do one move. Let's do it a move J. It's okay. 50% of the speed is fine. With the current location, let's do a waypoint. Yeah, let's use a waypoint here, is fine. Confirm. Okay, so whenever you add a waypoint, it automatically has an alias where it is called waypoint. So right now we stored the current position. We can change it on a waypoint if we want, but it stored the current position. Okay, now we make another move. Go back on basic, another move J, confirm. And we make a second waypoint. Just want to reset and let's see. Let's move some joint where it's easy to see. Maybe not that one. Speed 100%. Okay, maybe load on the base joint. It becomes obvious. Okay. Good. So this waypoint gets automatically stored under the waypoint name. Okay. Whenever they are called just waypoint, they will be the individual waypoints within the program. So let's make a third move. And we want to go back actually to our original waypoint, right? So we make another move. We do move J, is okay. It's fine. We use this waypoint. And we just set the waypoint, we just confirm a waypoint right now because we don't really care on that one. Okay. What we can do here is if we go on this waypoint and give it a name which is different from the normal waypoint. Okay, confirm. This one is still the old position, right? So let's check when we are looking in the graphics. We see here a first waypoint. Let's do a move J here. Okay, we have this one which we programmed, move J here. Okay, it's the second position. Okay, and then we have a third waypoint, which we haven't specified yet. So it essentially took the same position the last one. What you can do now is, if you change this one to the same name, like another waypoint you already had, and you press confirm, it will ask you, here are some waypoints with the same alias. If yes, replace it with the latest modified value. Otherwise, modify the alias and make it unique. Okay, so what happens here is, because we want to change this name below, if you would say yes now, these two waypoints would be the same, but since we changed that waypoint, it will take the position on the second one, which we didn't want. Okay, so I'll do no for now, but we can also go here, just because we want the position, right? If we would have confirmed here, yes, that was the second position here, it would have overwritten this waypoint, okay? But we want these two to be the same. So you can just copy that one, paste it here, and now these two are the same. Okay, let's try that. Move J here. Okay, that was the original position which we had. Move J here was the second waypoint. Okay, and remember the third one we never set up. Move J here. That's the first one where we started from. Okay, so if we now go on set waypoint, and let's do something obvious, which we can see. Maybe do the top joint rotation to the back a little bit. Okay, confirm, confirm. And it asks again, shall we make all the same? Yes, we want to override them all. If we don't want that, we would have to change the name here. Yes, override them all. Okay, which means right now our first waypoint should be the exact location where we are right now. Correct, it changed. Yeah, this one never changed because it's generic, it's a standard one. And this one is also changed back to its position. So again, whenever the waypoints are just called waypoint like that, the software is ignoring them and all use them as individual waypoints. But as soon as you start changing the name of a waypoint, it becomes unique, and then you have the possibility to link them. One of the things which often happens where people have to be careful about is, once you named one waypoint, the last one you worked with, and you say add after, it does not change the name in the alias. So if you now go on set waypoint, you do something, I don't know what we're going to change now, which is easy, maybe that joint should be easy to see. Okay, shoulder joint is fine. Confirm. If you now confirm, what would happen is, because the name is the same, you would now override this waypoint here and the first one, which we don't want. Yeah, this can often happen. Unfortunately, once you rename the waypoint, it does not by itself change back to using the generic for the next one. It will use the last one, which was active. So we don't want to do this right now. Okay.